This is Teach Me Maths, and today we will be looking at angles in radians. Now there are three different ways of measuring angles in radians, degrees, and the third one steradian. But we won't be talking about steradian since it's used for measuring solid angles, and what we have here is plane angles. Now, having a circle of circumference C at a particular distance, at a particular angle, the arc distance is equal to the radius, and we call this angle 1 radian. So in other words, at 1 radian, the arc distance is equal to the radius, right? Now, as every circle subtends an angle of 360 degrees, the same way a line subtends 180 degrees. So 360 degrees by conversion is equal to 2 pi radians, right? This we should know. And by simplification, we obtain 180 degrees to be equal to pi radian. This is the conversion factor that we will actually be using today, right? So let's pick one example. Having the angle 120 degrees, how can we convert this degree to radian? Now, 180 degrees is equal to pi radian. Okay, we can use ratio and proportion or any other suitable way, but one easy thing we have to employ, which I suggest, is that we take ways to cancel out these degrees, and by doing so we multiply by pi on 180 degrees, and by doing so we easily cancel our degrees, right? So after cancelling our degrees, we can simply solve this. Now 6 goes into 12 two times and goes into 18 three times, so we obtain our final answer as 2 pi on 3 radians, right? So now let's pick one more example. Having 3 radians, right? And this is the unit for radians. We just write rad in its short form. How can we convert this to degrees? So to do that, we have to express this in a form in which the rad can cancel out, right? So we multiply by 180 on pi radians. Pi radians, right? The pi always carries the radian, so we can put this in our heads and cancel out the rad. So we obtain our final answer as 180 multiplying 3 on pi. Actually, that's not our final answer. We can simply break down that down with the calculator, and we obtain our final answer as 171.9 degrees. So this is our final answer. We have looked at 2 different ways of solving problems, that is conversion of radians to degrees and vice versa. Please click that subscribe button to remain updated. Thanks everyone for watching.